Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add money to Western Union account. There are a couple of ways to add money to your Western Union account depending upon your location, account level, and desired speed of transfer. To add money instantly on Western Union, you can follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in westernunion.com. Once you get to the official website for Western Union, go ahead and click login at the top right, and then in the login area, enter your email or your username followed by your account's password. Once you are done filling in your credential, click on continue to log into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you can now add money instantly to your account. To add money on your Western Union account, you can use a debit or credit card or add money via bank transfer. From the main home page, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and this will then open up your profile page. Click on Payment Preferences option, and then you can now choose credit or debit cards or bank accounts option in order to fund your account. If you've chosen bank accounts, make sure to click on Online Bank Login or Manual Bank Entry option and enter your bank account's credential. Select your bank, log into your online banking account by entering your credentials for the chosen bank. Make sure to type in your credential correct, and then click on Agree and Sign in order to add a bank account on Western Union. Once you add a debit or credit card or even a bank account number, you will then be able to fund your account right away. If you choose credit or debit cards, make sure to enter your card number correct, and then make sure to enter the CVV code and your expiry date, and click on Save in order to add money via card or bank transfer directly on Western Union. So that is how you will be able to add money or fund your Western Union account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.